Chapter 4. Slides in PowerPoint 2021. MS PowerPoint 2021. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. It is used to organize and present information. PowerPoint presentations consist of a number of individual pages or slides. Slides may contain text, graphics, sound, movies, and other objects that can be freely arranged. Through presentations, we can communicate ideas, message, and other information effectively to a group of people. One page of our presentation is called a slide, and a group of slides on any one topic is called presentation. With just a few clicks, you can turn simple information into engaging presentations that capture and communicate our message clearly. Features of PowerPoint 2021. Ribbon. The new version of PowerPoint has ribbon, which replaces the menu bar seen in previous versions of PowerPoint. The ribbon groups items that are most likely to be used together. There are several frequently used tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Design, and View. Clicking on each tab activates a group of relative commands, menus, and buttons. There are also contextual tabs that show up only when needed, such as text box tools, picture tools, drawing tools, and chart tools. Backstage View. The File tab is not a regular tab. Instead of displaying ribbon commands, it displays a full-screen menu called Backstage View. Each command we select along the left side of the Backstage View, the screen displays a different dialog box or page of options and commands in the right panel. Look at the following commands in the Backstage View. New, lists available templates from which we can create a new presentation. Open, opens an existing presentation from our system. Info, shows information, properties, about the active presentation and provides commands that control permissions, sharing, and version management. Save, saves the current presentation in the standard format in the locations of our choice. Save as, lets us resave a previously saved presentation with a different name, type, or location than before. Print, provides settings and options for printing a presentation in a variety of formats. Share, provides options for sending the presentation via email, inviting others to view it online, and publishing slides to a slide library. Export, offers a variety of options for saving a presentation in different formats, as well as creating a video, packaging a presentation for CD, and creating handouts. Close, closes the currently open presentation. Account, enables us to view account information if we are logged in with our Microsoft account. Options, opens the PowerPoint options dialog box from which we can configure many aspects of program operation. Fact GPT, we can convert a PowerPoint presentation into a PDF file or a video using the export option on the File tab. Changing PowerPoint views. We can use various PowerPoint views which enable us to see and change our presentation in a variety of ways. For example, in normal view, we can work with just one slide at a time, which is helpful when we are adding text or graphics to a slide. Alternately, in slide sorter view, we can view all the slides in a presentation at the same time, which makes it easy to rearrange the slides. Let's go through different views which PowerPoint provides us. Normal view is the default view that lets us focus on an individual slide. The slide we are currently editing is called the current slide. It contains 3 panes: slide pane, slide thumbnail pane, and notes pane. The size of these panes can be adjusted by dragging the pane border. We can also click on view buttons on the status bar. These buttons include Normal View, Slide Sorter View, Reading View, and Slide Show View. Outline View is same as the normal view except thumbnail images of the slides. A text outline of the presentation appears in the left pane. Slide Sorter View displays miniature slides in a presentation on a single screen. We can reorganize a slideshow by dragging slides to different positions. We can also duplicate and delete slides in this view. Notes page view shows one slide at a time, along with any notes that are associated with the slide. This view lets us create and edit notes. If this pane is not visible, then click on Notes button on the taskbar to display it. Reading view is like slideshow view, except it is in a window rather than filling the entire screen. It allows us to view a presentation with simple controls for easy review. Master views. Slide master view let us control the look of our entire presentation, including colors, fonts, backgrounds, effects, and just about everything else. We can insert a shape or a logo on a slide master and it will show up on all your slides automatically. Handout master view customize how our presentation will look as a printed handout. We can choose the design and layout of the handout, such as background formatting and where headers footers will appear. We can also select options for our page setup. Notes master view customize how our presentation will look when printed out with our notes. We can choose the design and layout of the notes page, such as background formatting and where headers footers will appear. We can also select options for our page setup. Creating a presentation. Adding a new slide to a presentation. Our next step is to add a new slide after creating a title slide. To build a presentation, we can add as many new slides as we want to our presentation. Let's learn to insert a new slide. Step 1. On the Home tab in the Slides group, click the New Slide button drop-down arrow. A gallery opens, showing thumbnail images of the slide layouts that are available for this template. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the gallery and then click Content with Caption. Applying themes. Themes are an inbuilt feature which offers a quick way of changing the layout and design of the presentation in one go. Each theme has its own set of colors, fonts, and effects. When we create a new presentation, PowerPoint prompts us to choose a theme. When we choose a specific non-blank theme, PowerPoint applies a set of preset colors, fonts, and placeholders to the slides. All these elements vary from theme to theme. Let's learn to apply themes to our presentation. Step 1. From the Design tab, click the drop-down arrow in the Themes group. Step 2. Select the desired theme. The theme is applied to the presentation. Fact GPT templates provide a quick way to create a new presentation. They contain layouts, theme colors, fonts, effects, background styles, and the content. Templates are installed or built in PowerPoint, or we may download from the internet. Modifying a background. Every slide has a background on which all slides elements reside. To further customize the slides, we can change the background color by choosing a different background styles, which will greatly enhances the presentation. Let's learn to apply a background style. Step 1. From the Design tab, click the drop-down arrow in the Variants group. Step 2. Select Background Styles. Step 3. Select the desired style. The available styles will change depending on the current theme colors. The new background will appear in each slide of the presentation. We can make the background colorful, can even use a texture or digital image as a background. Inserting pictures in presentation. Pictures can be added to slide to make the presentation visually appealing and effective. Pictures can be inserted using commands in the Images group of the Insert tab. There are 5 sources for images that we can work with. This device, images stored on our local drive. Stock images. We can unleash our imagination with premium content from the stock image library. Online pictures, media files, images, videos, audio, and more that Microsoft PowerPoint provides. Screenshot, a screen capture of any application that is not minimized to our taskbar. Photo album, a collection of images from local files or disk. Let's learn to insert a picture from a file. Step 1. Select the Insert tab, then click the Pictures command in the Images group. A dialog box will appear. Step 2. Locate and select the desired image file, then click Insert. The picture will appear on the currently selected slide. Inserting 3D models. Using 3D models, we can create engaging 3D slides to illustrate a point that will impress our audience. We can rotate models 360 degrees or tilt up and down to show a specific feature of an object. Let's learn to insert a 3D model. Step 1. Select the desired slide where the 3D model needs to appear. Step 2. From the Insert tab, select the 3D Models command in the Illustrations group. You will get to Options, This Device and Stock 3D Models. An online 3D Models dialog box will appear. Step 3. Choose Stock 3D Models. Step 4. Type the category in the search bar and press Enter key. Step 5. Choose the desired model, then click Insert. The 3D model will appear on the current slide. Step 6. Choose the desired model view displayed in the ribbon. The model's view gets changed accordingly. Adding a smart art. Smart art graphics can be used to illustrate a process or structure. It allows to communicate information with graphics instead of just using text. There are a variety of styles to choose from, which helps us to communicate graphically with our viewers. Let's learn to insert a smart art graphic. Step 1. Select the desired slide where the smart art graphic needs to appear. Step 2. From the Insert tab, select the Smart Art command in the Illustrations group. A dialog box will appear. Step 3. Select a category on the left, choose the desired Smart Art graphic, then click OK. The Smart Art graphic will appear on the current slide. Fact GPT. We can also click the Insert a Smart Art graphic command in a placeholder to add Smart Art. Test your knowledge. Create a presentation having at least 5 slides on greenhouse effect. Changing the slide order. We can change the order of the slide in our presentation. Let's learn to change the order of the slides in the presentation. Step 1. Click on the View tab. Step 2. Click on the Normal option on the Presentation Views group. Thumbnails of the slides on the left pane of the window will appear. Step 3. Drag the thumbnails to change the order of the slides or click on the Slide Sorter option and drag the thumbnails to change the order. Adding slide transition. A transition is a visual effect that appears when we move from one slide to another. We can apply a transition in Normal or Slide Sorter view to a single slide, multiple slides or all the slides. Let's learn to add slide transition. Step 1. Click on the desired slide to add transition. Step 2. Click on Transitions tab. Step 3. Click on Transition effect. PowerPoint immediately displays a preview of the transition effect. Step 4. Click on the down arrow of Effect Options button. Step 5. Click on an effect option for setting transition effect. A preview of the transition effect is displayed. We can also click on Apply to All if we want to apply the same transition effect to the entire slideshow. PowerPoint adds an animation icon below the slide number. Fact GPT. After creating the presentation, it must be saved for its future use. The default extension of PowerPoint 2021 file is .pptx. Adding animation effects. Animation is an illusion of showing a series of still pictures in motion in rapid succession. It makes the presentation a professional look. Special visual and sound effects applied to the text are included in animation. Let's learn to insert an animation to the presentation. Step 1. Click on any slide elements, such as text box, shape or picture, to which we want to add animation in normal view. Step 2. Click on Animations tab. Step 3. Click on Animation Effect. Fact GPT, PowerPoint allows us to add audio and video to our presentation. This is a great way to make our presentation more engaging for our audience. Click the audio drop-down arrow, then select Audio on My PC. Locate and select the desired audio file, then click Insert. From the Insert tab, click the Video drop-down arrow, then select this device. Locate and select the desired video file, then click Insert. F5 is the shortcut key to run the presentation from beginning. We can press Escape key to end the slideshow anytime. Test your knowledge. Create a presentation having at least 6 slides on Indian folk dances and show it to your classmates. Recapitulate. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. One page of presentation is called a slide, and a group of slides is called presentation. The ribbon replaces the menu bar seen in previous versions of PowerPoint. Each theme has its own set of colors, fonts, and effects. When we create a new presentation, PowerPoint prompts us to choose a theme. To further customize the slides, we can change the background color by choosing a different background styles. Pictures can be inserted using commands in the Images group of the Insert tab. 3D models and smart art allow to communicate information with graphics instead of just using text. We can apply a transition in normal or slide sorter view to a single slide, multiple slides, or all the slides. Gloss GPT, themes, a set of predefined layouts that can be applied to a presentation to give it a professional look. Smart art graphics, a visual representation of information depicted through flowcharts, diagrams, etc. Transition, a visual effect that appears while moving between slides. Animation, an illusion of showing a series of still pictures in motion in rapid succession.